All electrical work must be done by a qualified electrician. When and how to reinstall the Cyber AT Cimplicity Project. There are three main reasons for reinstalling the Cyber AT Cimplicity Project. Reason number one: if the fault icons across the top and the calibration box are blacked out, then you need to perform a task first to verify that you truly need to reinstall the project. Reason number two: if you see a screen with a statement on it saying "doing database maintenance" and it does not go away, then you need to reinstall the project. Reason number three: if you cannot access files or members, then you need to reinstall the project. Let's cover reason number one first. Pull out your keyboard and mouse. The task that you need to perform first for reason number one is to ping the IP address of the PLC. On the keyboard, press Ctrl Escape at the same time. When the Start box pops up, at the bottom where it says Search Programs and Files, type in CMD and press Enter. In the black command box that pops up, type in ping, press the spacebar once, then type 128.1.0.1 and press Enter. Inside the command box, if you see Request timed out 4 times, then you do not need to reinstall the project. Call the MiTek Machinery Customer Service Department at 1-800-523-3380. If you see replies 4 times, then you do need to reinstall the project. The rest of the steps cover how to reinstall the project for any of the 3 reasons previously stated. You need to know what project version number you are running if you are reinstalling for reason number 1 or reason number 3. For your project version, look in the lower right-hand corner of the screen and it will show you the version number you are running. In this example, we will use version 20.00, but the procedure is the same for all versions. If you are reinstalling for reason number 2, you will find out the version number when you get to another step. Now press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on the keyboard at the same time. Now click on Start Task Manager. When the Task Manager box pops up, click the Process tab at the top. In the list that appears, look for 4 programs. Number 1 is W32RTR.exe. Click on the W32RTR.exe to highlight it. At the bottom of the box, click on End Process. A warning box will appear. Just click End Process. Next, look for SimView.exe. You may see other sim views in the list, like SimViewWorld.exe or other sims. Ignore them. Just click on SimView.exe to end the process. Now look for Catcher.exe and Linker.exe or Linker2.exe and do the same steps to end their process. The Catcher and Linker may not show up in the list. That is okay. It means the W32RTR.exe and SimView.exe are the only ones that you need to end the process on. Once you have completed this, click the X in the upper right-hand corner to close the Task Manager box. Now click on the Windows Start icon, and then click on Control Panel. In the Control Panel, click on Programs and Features. Here you will see Cyber AT Cimplicity Project version v20.00 or whatever version you are running. This is also the other step when you find out what version you are running if you are reinstalling for reason number 2. Click once on the version to highlight it. Then at the top, click on Uninstall/Change. An option box will pop up. Click on Remove and then on Next. When the Confirm Uninstall warning box pops up, click on OK. While the computer is uninstalling the project, if you are asked any more questions regarding uninstalling or removing any part of the project, click on Yes. When it shows Next or Back, click on Next until it comes to the end. Click on Finish. Once this is done, click on the X in the corner to close Programs and Features, and then do the same to close Control Panel. Now right-click on the Windows Start icon and click on Open Windows Explorer to access your folder directories. Click on the local disk, usually identified as C:. Double-click on the folder named Cimplicity to open the folder. Now, right-click on the folder labeled MiTek. When the box pops up, click on Delete. When the warning pops up, "Do you want to move the folder to delete?" click Yes. Click on the back arrow if needed. To reinstall the project, find the folder that says one of the following, as the folder names have changed over time: Cimplicity Project, Cyber AT Projects, or MiTek Software. This one is MiTek Software. Double-click on the folder, then double-click on the Cyber AT Cimplicity Project version you are running. Again, this example is v20.00. Now double-click on the folder Cimplicity Project. Once inside the folder, on some project versions you will see an icon that looks like this one does, like Sails on a Boat labeled Setup. Or you may have an icon that looks like a globe labeled Loader. Whichever one you have, double-click on it. Click Next. When the destination box pops up, click Next. During the install process, if you are asked to answer Yes or Cancel, click Yes. If Next or Back, click Next until it states it is finished. Then, click Finished. Click the X to close Windows Explorer, then restart the computer. When the new project software pops up, it will ask you what language you want. Select either English or Spanish. You will need to reload your company's cutting files. If this did not fix the problem, call the MiTek Customer Service Department at 1-800-523-3380.